Raducanu is the reigning US Open champion, and the first British woman to win a Grand Slam singles title since Virginia Wade in the 1977 Wimbledon Championships. She is considered a baseline player, known for her powerful, flat ground strokes, and aggressive return of serve. Emma Raducanu's stunning run on her first appearance at the US Open finished in glorious fashion as she became Britain's first female singles Grand Slam champion for 44 years. Raducanu was invited on the red carpet at the Metropolitan Museum of Art or Met Gala 2021. She wore a black and white channel ensemble at the event in New York City. British tennis star Emma Raducanu has become a brand ambassador of US luxury jewelry brand, Tiffany&Co. Emma Raducanu instantly became a British icon after her US Open coup, so it only made sense that the 18-year-old would be in attendance at the No Time to Die premiere on 29 September. The tennis pro and newly announced Tiffany&Co ambassador stepped onto the red carpet outside the Royal Albert Hall wearing an iridescent silver gown from Dior's Resort 2021 collection to watch Daniel Craig make his final outing as James Bond. And while Raducanu may be a growing influence in the fashion world, she frequently nods to her real job, that is, as one of the world's most celebrated tennis players.